Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Narayan and I'm currently pursuing BLLB from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies. I'm in my fourth year and I'm interning under Lexus and Company. And today in this video, I will be talking about how to report offences under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. So Section 19 of Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act says that nothing notwithstanding anything contained in the CRPC, any person, a here person includes child as well, who has apprehension that an offense under this act is likely to be committed or has knowledge that such an offense has been committed, he shall provide such information to the Special Juvenile Police Unit or the local police. Now, every report given to the Special Juvenile Police Unit or to the local police shall be ascribed an entry number and be recorded in writing. Now, it shall be read over to the informant and it shall be entered in a book to be kept by the police unit. Now, where the report is given by a child, the same shall be recorded in a same manner in which a report of the norm an adult will be recorded if he complains on behalf of the child, but that report shall be recorded in a simple language so that the child understands contents being recorded. Now, in case contents are being recorded in the language not understood by the child or wherever it is deemed necessary, a translator or an interpreter having such qualifications, experience, and on payment of such fees as may be prescribed shall be provided to the child if he fails to understand the same. Now, where the Special Juvenile Police Unit or local police is satisfied that the child against whom an offense has been committed is in need of care and protection, then it shall, after recording the reasons in writing, make immediate arrangement to give him such care and protection, including admitting the child into shelter home or to the nearest hospital within 24 hours of the report as may be prescribed. Now, the Special Juvenile Police Unit of local police shall, without unnecessary delay, but within a period of 24 hours, report the matter to the Child Welfare Committee and the special court, or if there is no special court, then in that case, the court which has been designated uh, or to the court of session, including need of the child for care and protection and steps taken in this regard. Now, no person shall incur any liability, whether civil or criminal, for giving the information in good faith. Uh, because if there will be any civil or criminal liability, then the motive of this act, which is to abolish the child sexual abuse from a ground level, will become null and void. So if so it is very important that the informant should be protected, and he should the the informant and the children who are reporting under this section shall be given a proper support from a legal system, so that this kind of social evil which is going on in our society should be stopped. uh, Thank you very much.